hospitality manager, and the people behind this, it's not just one or two people, rather it's two families that have come together to create a very unique menu and give an unforgettable experience to everybody who dines in with us. And our utmost priority is to give you the finest dining in Melbourne with the best service that you can possibly come across. So please, make yourself at home and grab a plate, and the team behind Knives Up will serve you and they will look after you. There's the chefs, Owen, Harsh, Saitlay, Richie. That's how we do that. And we've got the two ladies who are going to serve you with drinks and anything that you need. So we'll start the feasting now. Thank you.